my YouTube channel. If you see me for the first time, I am Gladon and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I do hauling, I do beauty, I am a junkie when it comes to perfume as well. So I do bits and bobs here. So anything beauty, I am in because my skin is dry. I am always at the look for what is going to enhance my dry skin, because sometimes I do have like breakage, and you know, if you don't keep on top of this kind of thing, it just escalates, and I don't want my face to escalate in this new year, if you see what I mean. So I like really doing face mask, exploring face mask. Sometimes I see it on YouTube as well. I'm just like, oh, why not give this a go? And I've been doing this, I've been using this face mask for a long time. So before you use any face mask or before you drink any home remedy or anything like that, always do a test patch on your skin to see if the ingredients do agree with you. Yes, I know that they are natural ingredients. You know what, some people are allergic to peanuts. It's natural. You know, things are some people are allergic to kiwi. Kiwi is natural. So just be sure that all the ingredients, they are absolutely good for you before you take anything in. So with this face mask that I'm going to be showing you today, I've used it before. It's not like I haven't done it. I just thought, let me just record myself and show you guys, because some people do ask me like, oh, what do you use? What do you use? I thought, why not do a video about it? So today, guys, we're just going to be needing like 3 or 4 ingredients with this face mask. So today we're going to be needing yogurt. I've got my bottle of turmeric here. I love turmeric. And I've got my big bottle of honey here, and I've got my coconut oil. I could be using coconut oil, or I'll be using my argan oil. So I'll just put a little bit of turmeric here. You know, turmeric is very good for you. It's full of antioxidants, and it's anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and it helps brighten the skin. So yeah, so turmeric is really good for you. And this is another really nice ingredient here. I'm just going to put some honey. Yes, honey. Who doesn't like honey? I love honey. So basically, then I'm going to add my yogurt to this one. I don't want this video to be long. It seems as if I'm rushing this video. If it feels like that, please forgive me. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of honey to that. Oh God. Decided I'm going to use my pure argan oil. This one was brought from Morocco, so this is absolutely 100% pure argan oil. So I'm going to put a little bit of argan oil. You know, this is my own kind of remedy. I always use this at home, and it works. I'm just going to squirt a little honey. Ooh, a little bit more honey. So this is how my mixture look. I'm going to just stir that together. Ooh, that's thick. At the end, it will be like this. This is what you get. So before I put this baby on my face, you know what we like doing? I'm just going to take my facial brush again. I'm just going to wash my face and give my face a really nice deep clean before I apply it on my face. So I'll have this clinic soap. I always have my clinic soap. Then I'm just going to put it around. Ready, let's wash this face.
Yes, I the one them call Vera. The one them go lock down the area. Sing it, no man.
Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, you got me. Oh baby, I want you forever. Oh baby, I love you, me love you. Oh baby, follow me.
Let's go ahead and apply this mixture to this face. It's really cold. It's very cold.
You got me, baby, now give me some more. Push up on me body now, show me what you got. Ooh, baby, now you got me begging for more. Na na, oh na na na, oh na na na, oh na na na, hey, oh na na na, oh na na na, oh na na na, hey. Oh boy, me loving your ways.
I'll see you dry on my face, and then probably I'll just leave it for like 20 minutes because I am heading somewhere today. So let's just say I'm coming back when it's dry. Hi guys, look at me. It's almost dried. You can see that it has changed color. So this is the time that I'm going to be cleaning this face mask off and see what my face look underneath. So yeah, I can't wait to meet my new face. I'm just going to go ahead and clean off the face mask now. Oh, this towel is really nice. It's nice and warm. Oh, look at it. Oh, wow.
The way you handle me, holding my waist, put me down and push up on me, let me say your name. Show me what you got, make I enter to your place. Na na, oh na na na, oh na na na, oh na na na, hey, oh na na na, oh na na na, oh na na na, hey. Follow me.
Oh my goodness, guys, can you see? Let me come closer. Am I focusing? My face look revived. And it's always nice to use like really warm water to really cleanse out everything, because my water is warm, just against my skin is really good, and I could just feel the tightness. My face looks absolutely revived, and it's very clean. You know, my 3 wrinkles here, it's like kind of minimizing the appearance of wrinkles, and I feel my face is like really bright. Yeah, these are the things that you can do at home instead of you going to facials all the time. Yeah, so my face look absolutely clean, bright, and yeah, you could just try this. You don't really need a lot. You just need honey, you need your yogurt, turmeric, and that's all really, you know. But I just really like the result of this face mask. So basically, like what I like doing now, so instead of me using my vitamin A just to kind of calm things down, I'm just going to put my coconut oil. So I'm just using this coconut oil. This is pure 100% coconut oil. I'm just going to use that now to really, I'm just going to massage this into the skin. I love oil. I think it's just because I have dry skin. I always look for things that really kind of penetrate really deeply to relieve the dryness. I know that you cannot cure dry skin, but what you could do, you could actually manage your dry skin situation. So I'm just going to rub that in and leave it to sit in before I apply my normal facial cream and all that. Yeah. So I'll just let that one sit into it a little bit, maybe like 20 minutes. Then I'll go apply. My face cream and the next my serum and all the other things that comes with it. But yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you've really enjoyed watching this DIY face mask that I've done. So if you know you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed, this is where we do all girly stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, hit your notification bell, so whenever I upload any video, you will be the first person to know. And thank you so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate, and until next time guys, thank you, bye bye.
Follow me, follow me, follow me, go. You got me, baby, now give me some more. Push up on me body now, show me what you got. Ooh, baby, now you got me begging for more. Na na, oh na na na, oh na na na, oh na na na, hey, oh na na na, oh na na na, oh na na na, hey. Mercy, mercy, mercy. The man of them sexy, sexy, sexy. Me, I take you to my party, party, party. Watch them come, follow me, follow me, follow me. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. The boy of them drive me crazy, crazy. The whole of them sexy, sexy, sexy. Only you gon' make me irie, irie, irie.